This market deteriorated the worst on Wall Street since the crash of 1987 leadership or offered environmentally friendly policies and technology. When they say that, they take a step that appears to be toward the right. There is more that gun makers could be doing to safeguard American lives. These businesses about enhancing safety, but their involvement hasn't kept up to date. Under autocratic regimes, we unwittingly provided funding to BlackRock. Self-imposed guidelines to gradually lessen that after observing its figures. A 1.2% decrease in shares is due to expectations. Everyone. XRP has not yet attained one more noteworthy accomplishment due to the recent extraordinary surge. XRP has overtaken the Bitcoin to rank as the fourth largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Do you support the community's driving forces? It's interesting to note that owners of XRP wallets between $100,000 and $1 billion have hit their highest point of the year, which has led to a notable price gain. Ripple will pay a smaller penalty as opposed to the initial $700 million. Finally, why is XRP rising? Going to undergo a major upheaval? Continue with me through to the end. If you believe this, watch this new video right now to find out more. As the Bitcoin industry grows, the biggest winners are still determined by the free market, which seems like something you would be interested in. Shifts are often where this pattern is observed. One such odd change in the market capitalization rankings of the main assets sees the price of XRP surpass XRP's notable 22% increase over the previous week, allowing it to close the gap between its market valuation and BNB's at the same time frame. Binance Coin, which is now valued at $37.2 billion, has surpassed BNB, which is currently valued at $37.1 billion. According to statistics from the CoinMarketCap, while XRP has increased by 10% and is a technical and fundamental signal that suggests it will continue to rise, BNB has only made $6 million due to its struggles to stay ahead of the rest of the market since the reintroduction of a bullish wave in October at $244 bump. The competition between XRP and BNB to become the fourth largest cryptocurrency reveals contrasting outcomes. More precisely, two key rulings in favor of Ripple have come from the courts, which decided that it is not a security when sold on a secondary market and rejected the SEC's attempt to appeal that significant ruling. These rulings have largely been responsible for the spike in XRP prices, which has been attributed to Ripple's numerous legal victories against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Due to those two losses, the regulatory body appears to have dropped its ongoing cases against Ripple executives Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larsen. Furthermore, it has increased investor confidence that a resolution is imminent. However, little has changed in the bank's legal disputes with the SEC. Recall how the SEC sued Champion Chow, the CEO of Bounce, and the company in June for breaking securities laws, even as the cryptocurrency market as a whole was rising. On the year-to-date chart, BNB is still down 1%, whereas XRP has more than quadrupled in value since January. The market has recovered from the action that caused a steep decrease in BNB's price. It's trading for about 68 cents right now. Having started the year at 33C, don't forget to press the alert button. And if you'd like, subscribe to our channel. Get the first word on any updates on XRP. As per sentiment data from the cryptocurrency analytics platform, the value of XRP has also increased to its highest level since August 2. The cryptocurrency's price is currently valued at 67 in comparison to Bitcoin, up 8.87% from the previous week. Sentiment data suggests that XRP's growth has been unconnected for the past 3 months. This is supported by the fact that, in the previous week, XRP's value climbed by 23% in relation to Bitcoin, despite an 88.6% increase in market capitalization. With 157.6% of trade volume overnight, the cryptocurrency's surge appears to be broad. According to the study, emotion over the whale prediction and social dominance are two significant XRP ecosystem traits. In light of the unpredictable increase in this class of XRP holders from August 12 to the present, 45.8% of the entire supply is currently held by XRP wallets with 100,000 to 1 billion tokens. This is a record high for the year. XRP whale numbers were at a very high level from mid-August to about September 21st. After that, their share of the entire supply fell sharply up to October 23rd. This whale account as a percentage of the entire supply stayed stable, though there were occasional, but rally clip features pleasing surges that demonstrate the resilient actions of XRP whales despite the coin's positive legal status in the United States. Additionally, XRP's social dominance is at its highest point since mid-July, which further helps the whale. From a viewpoint point of view, the mood chart shows that the largest spikes in XRP conversations on social media have occurred since mid-July, especially from August to October. The legal triumph of Ripple Lab against In addition, the US SEC played a role in fostering the growing interest in XRP. Whales are placing bets on the vast possibilities that the XRPL's prognosis presents. Despite criticism, the emergence of Zaho on the XRPL sidechain has shown that, against all odds, the protocol can rival its Layer 1 counterpart, which will be advantageous to XRP. We cannot rule out the potential that XRP may eventually hit the $110–$140 price range, given that it has crossed the 65-cent mark and the XRP community's legal counsel. John Dion has continued to offer commentary on what could occur in the upcoming round. Of the remedies for the Cassie CV Ripple cases, it's interesting to note that the $770 million in fines that the SEC is seeking come from Dion's speculation and tweet from yesterday, which suggested that Ripple would have to pay less. This is because the $770 million came from sales of XRP to institutional customers, which the court ruled was illegal on July 13. Remarkably, Attorney Dion said that due to the previous disputes between the company and the SEC, Ripple would be obliged to pay a smaller amount in fines. For violating federal securities regulations, Ripple may have to pay a punishment of up to $770 million because of its institutional sales. According to Dion, the SEC hinted in multiple briefs that up to 95% of Ripple's XRP sales might take place outside of the US. Applying the sum, institutional clients purchased $770 million worth of XRP. Dion noted that once an amazing $73,105 million is deducted from the amount, only $38.5 million is left. Moreover, lawyer Dion said that since the company spent disproportionate resources on the Ripple issue after it was resolved, the penalties were unreasonable and that Ripple would attempt to deduct legitimate business expenses from the expected penalty. A few hours after attacking supporters of cryptocurrencies who claimed the SEC had a 50/50th chance of winning, Dion spoke with the attorney for the owner of XRP and said that the court's ruling was closer to 90-10 in the blockchain company's favor. Additionally, the lawyer endorsing the XRP rumor stated that Ripple would win 99.9% of the cases if it settled with the SEC for fines of $20 million or less. Noteworthy is the fact that the SEC Ripple litigation is currently in the stage of if the parties are unable to agree, the parties are obliged by the court to give a joint briefing schedule on the remedies by November 9th at the latest. Before the cutoff, they will jointly request at the judge announced a date for the leading attorneys in briefing have been guessing as the deadline approaches. Remarkable in a recent tweet regarding the potential role the blockchain company may play in the remedial briefing, Attorney Jeremy Hogan joined the discussion, arguing that the government must be equitable based on the findings of the Sect Luck case. Therefore, according to Hogan, Ripple will exclude its minimal operational expenses from the potential $770 million penalties. Additionally, he predicted that sales that were not under the U.S. Secretary's jurisdiction would be deducted from the total. The lawyer went on to say that the remedies briefing on the most recent ruling by the Second Circuit, which upheld the idea that victims should be discouraged, might also have a significant effect. As was previously reported, the court also ordered Hogan's reply, in which he argued that XRP investors would need to have suffered financial losses for Ripple to be held responsible. The most important question of the day is, why is XRP rising? Is XRP in for a significant development and Ripple swell? So don't forget to press the notification bell. And if you'd like, subscribe to our channel. Be the first to learn about any updates about the significant over 30% price spike for XRP during the last 7 days. In addition, the digital assets made a bullish jump the previous day and crossed 68 cents, which was one of their highest points in the previous 3 months. According to CoinMarketTaxi, 4 traders in the cryptocurrency market exchanged $2.49 billion worth of XRP in a single day. XRP's price has been impacted by its higher volume, which is occurring at the same time as a major conference that Ripple is holding this Wednesday and Thursday in Dubai. Jumeirah and Madden Dubai is the location. More than 600 people are expected to attend the conference. Important announcements about several potential topics, such as the IPO, obtaining a license from vale, talking about digital currencies issued by central banks, advancements in stablecoins and tokenization, and potentially attracting new users, could be made at this year's Swell event. For Ripple's Swell assembly of the brightest minds and finance, blockchain and fiscal policy, according to Gill Economy, considering the significance of the occasion and how it may affect Ripple's business plan, we'll have 80 intelligent speakers and participants from more than 40 nations. The XRP community is excited to see a range of outcomes, and any potential benefits for XRP include the possibility that Ripple will use the OCS to make its initial public offering announcement. Notably, one of the most widely accepted notions is offering an IPO. Linda Jones, a Wall Street analyst, forecasted that Ripple's following the IPO, market value may increase, and the stock price could soar above $600. The possibility of XRP's price reaching double digits as a result of this increased attention could materialize if Ripple's stock price hits $600, notwithstanding certain concerns and negative views over how our Ripple IPO would affect XRP. Be sure you watch the movie and don't forget to click the notification bell. Most XRP supporters believe that this would be a critical step toward boosting XRP use and raising the price of the cryptocurrency. Additionally, the YouTube algorithm benefits from subscribers, which helps it distribute this video to as many users as possible. As long as you can help others become enlightened in the same manner that you have been. Guys, let's spread the word about this message far and wide. If you're a true enthusiast for cryptocurrencies, don't miss any of our articles. When we get together tomorrow, we'll talk about the most recent developments that have an impact on our community as a whole.